Okay, everyone. Today we are looking at all of the, not all of the Finance Phrase characters, by making a tier list. Mangle, that's by B. I'm not sure about Mangle. How about Balloon Boy? How about an S? Nope. C. I hate Balloon Boy. Uh, C with Balloon Boy. A. 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 No, S. I was gonna put an A, but nope, I put in S. Springtrap, B, C. Freddy, A. Speed running. That's why I paused for a sec. Speed running. Pretty much gonna be speed running for all of this. So, then the video doesn't take like 50 hours for me to finish, because look at all those. On pool, if you see those ads up there, please, 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 please don't copyright. Just took me forever to actually set up the video. Because I had to find the right website. I had to start recording. Blah, 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 blah. Yep, just speedrunning through all the nightmare. Yeah, I like, Nightmare. I hate him. He is super annoying. Especially with Bon. But at the end, I might do some adjustments. I'm not sure, though. Yeah, I gotta do adjustments at the end. So, if you just see me, like, randomly throwing these rounds, because I'm probably gonna do adjustments at the end. But, I have a lot more to go. As you can see, I have so much more to go. And, it's just too colorful. Yeah, just putting all the fun times in D tier. Why do I have so many D tier? It already gone down to a next bar. Holy crap. I'm trying to keep this video family friendly. Even though I don't even know why. Even though I can't make it family friendly. Here. You all know I have the power to get this video demonetized. I have the power of that. But I don't want to. I mean, I won't make any money anyways. Because I'm new. Oh, I'm not like any of the other YouTubers like, oh, please subscribe to me. I have no subscribers. Like, subscribe, follow, share, and do all of that, and I'll give you a cookie. Not like any of that. Not that. Blah, 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 blah. No. I don't even show the pictures, like, shove those green screen pictures in your face. No, I don't. I don't do any of it. That's why, usually, low channels don't get subscribers, because they usually shove the subscribe button in your face. But me, no. If you don't mug my content, I don't care. Do what you want. Dislike, like, I don't care. It doesn't bring me any harm. Because this is just a virtual app. Anyone's opinion is anyone's opinion. I have nothing to judge. Because if I did judge, then I would be asking for subscribers. But I don't judge. I'm not like any of those subscribers. Darn it. Okay. Darn it. Uh, oh, okay. Scroll down. I'm gonna read. Just gonna put him there. He doesn't belong up. I gonna put the original cast at the top tier. Scott Coffin, he deserves S tier. All of these ones are ugly. I give 0 out of 10. Now, time to, like, reshuffle them. Some of them I just flung random places. I mean, Bon Bon isn't that bad. Might move him. Wait a minute. I gotta think of something first. Okay. Bon Bon isn't that bad, honestly. Like, he is okay. Wait a minute. Foxy. Why is Foxy in D tier? No, man, he goes up. Or also, yeah, Mangle. But Foxy goes up in the toys. But now Foxy goes up to an S tier. S tier. Of course, with his original, his Rockstar, and his Nightmare. Oh, we can't forget about Phantom or Withered. You cannot. It's done. So if you don't like my opinion, it's your opinion. I don't care. See y'all.